Okay students, now I am going to introduce the chapter. As I told earlier, the name of the chapter is Electrostatic Charges. It is comprised of three words, that is electro, static and charges. Word electro means electric, right? The word electro means electric. Static means at rest. And charges, as we earlier know that charges means electron or proton, or we can say the negatively charged or positive charge. So what does this name indicate is the electric charges produced at rest, right? Electrostatic charges means the charges which produced electricity by remaining at rest. Or we can say the charges at rest can produce the electric effect. Now there is a branch of physics which deals with such kind of charges. That branch of physics which deals with the electrostatic charges, right? Which deals with electrostatic charges and the phenomena related to the study of these electrostatic charges, like the force between the charges, electric field due to charges, and we can say the potential due to charges, right? What I have said, that force between the charges, field due to charges, right? Potentials due to charges, etc. Such branch of physics is known as electrostatics. Electrostatics or static electricity or frictional electricity. Right? Now we can well understand electrostatics, as I told earlier. Static electricity, this is also okay, because static electricity means electricity which is produced due to charges at rest due to static charges. Now why this is called the frictional electricity? This is because this kind of electricity, or we can say this kind of static charges, are produced due to friction. So what is frictional electricity? Frictional electricity means electricity means the charges produced over the insulating bodies by rubbing two bodies, right? How this happens? As I told you earlier, that a body having excess of electron is negatively charged, and a body having deficiency of electron is positively charged, right? When we rub two bodies against each other, some heat is released. For example, if you rub your hands, some heat is produced between the palm of your hands. So what is that? This is the heat energy. So some energy is released on rubbing the two insulating bodies against each other, and that energy is sufficient to eject the electrons from the outermost shell of the substance, of the atom. So that electron get freed from one atom and transferred to the second one. So which body has lost electron gain positive charge? Which lost electron gain positive charge? And which gain electron have negative charge? This is how frictional electricity have been produced, right? Means this is how, by rubbing two insulating bodies against each other, charges has been produced or we can say frictional electricity has been produced. Is that clear to everyone? Right? Now we are again and again using the word static charges. Now why these charges so produced are called the static charges? Actually, what is happening, static charges means charges at rest. Actually, on rubbing, when we rub the two insulating bodies, one body gain positive charge and one body gain negative charge. It stays over the insulating bodies and do not move itself over whole body. Is that clear? It stays over the one end of the body at which it has been acquired and do not move from one point to another. That is why this is called the static charge. Clear hai? So from this we have discussed electrostatic charges, which is electrostatic electricity, static electricity, frictional electricity, and how the frictional electricity is helpful in the production of electric effects.